Welcome to the channel of RD Technical Learning. So in this video again, we would be seeing one of the Java interview question. So this is the Java coding interview question, and you should solve these kind of coding. You should solve these kind of problems so that you can get better and better in your Java coding skills. Your Java coding skills get enhanced. So this is something that is requirement in every automation testing interviews. You would be asked such kind of programs to write, and you need to work on them. So you'll be given some of the string. Let's take one of the example. String S1 is equal to best of both the worlds. Okay. Now you need to count the total number of characters in this string. Now, as soon as you get something that is related to the each of the individual character element of that string, the very first thing that you should come to understand is you should be able to know, you should be able to think that you have to convert it to the char array, right? So let us do one thing. Let us write this program in IntelliJ itself, and I would be explaining you side by side so that it becomes easier for you to understand and to answer as well. So let me open IntelliJ, and till the time it gets open, I would request every one of you to please like, share, and subscribe our channel, because these kind of things you would get on this channel. So request you to share along with your friends in your network as well. So the class is count number of characters. Okay, we write count number just. Okay, so we'll take main method here. Just write main here, and it would give you this public static void main. And you need to take this string that is S1 equal to best of both the worlds. Okay. Now what we will do is we'll convert this S1 to char array, right? And we'll also define one variable with the data type as integer, because the count you need, right? So count would be always in a whole number. It cannot be in a decimal or in a fraction value. So it would be in a whole number. So you have to take the data type as integer only. Okay, integer count equal to 0. Okay, then we'll have a for loop, right? So why we are having this for loop? Now we want to iterate, right? But till what we want to iterate? So let's take one of the variable I equal to 0. We will iterate till the length of this particular string, right? And we'll say I plus plus. Now, as you can see, this string, best of both the worlds, it is having space as well. We don't want to count that space as one of the character. We just have to get the count of the characters only. We have to exclude this particular space. So what we will do is we'll have a if condition. Okay. What if condition we will have? So within that if condition, we will put character at. So let me take this thing. So S1 is your S1 dot. We have got character at of index, right? So I is your index is not equal to 0. Right? Or we want to have not 0, we want to have just this kind of a, right? If it is not equal to space, then what we will do is we'll increment this count by 1. Okay. But if it is equal to the space or empty character, then we don't have to count. So that is why we are going for a not equal to operator. Yeah, I have to put this braces just to ensure. Okay. And then what we will do is once this for loop is getting over, then we'll go for system dot out dot println, and we'll say we need to print the count. Okay, the variable value that it is coming. Okay, so that's how we would be dealing with this kind of the problem. Why it is showing an error here? So since we haven't put any character, that is why it is showing you an error as empty character literal. So you need to put this in. So there is a space, right, which we want to ignore. So we'll just enter one space bar here. Okay. So system.out.println, you get count, and let me select this current file and let me run this particular program now. So you get best 4, 6 of, then 4 again of both, 10, and 3 of the, so 13. So you should get somewhere around 19 as the output for this particular program. Okay, so let me run it now, and let us see the output. So the output is 19. So you got the best of both the worlds, the output that we got here, right? And here you can see, if even if you don't use this s1.2 of character of Eric, then also it's fine. Then also it's working fine, right? We want to use this length as one of the method and character at as one of the methods for this particular program. So it becomes easier for you to solve this program accordingly, right? So that's it for this video. Thank you so much for watching this video and stay tuned for more updates.